These 7 pieces of plywood go together to make one product. That product has generated sales for one seller of over $290,000 in 1 year. And the crazy part is it's so simple to make. I designed this one, which is similar, in under 10 minutes. I'm going to make those files available to you, so watch to the end to see how to get your hands on those. And then I'm going to break down the numbers for you. The material costs, the sundries, the shipping costs, the selling fees, everything. You'll know exactly what's going to be left at the end. And I'm going to show you how I believe the seller is trying to corner the market with some shady tactics on Etsy. So after a quick search on Etsy, I'd found that desk tidies and docking stations were quite popular. This one in particular caught my eye. The seller had a good amount of sales and a good rating. It was on 50% sale and still commanding £37, which is about $50. I could already tell that it was going to be very cheap to make. It was just layers of plywood. This one only had 28 reviews, which is about 80 sales maybe. But what I discovered next absolutely shocked. Now this is a different seller. The product's pretty much identical and the price is very similar, except this one's charging shipping. And this is where I found the crazy numbers. He has 1,700 feedback on this product alone. If you're getting 1 feedback for every 4 sales, you're doing phenomenal. And as sellers on Etsy, we want feedback. It's really important. That would mean he's sold at least 6,800 of these products. That's one product, 1 year, and £290,000 worth of sales. This business has only been going 1 year. You'll be amazed at how little material is required to make this product. You need 3 layers of 6mm ply, or 1/4 inch. That's for the main body, and I'm using 2 layers for the legs. I've worked it out that I can get 15 full products from 1 sheet of 8x4. Total revenue of £219,504. 454 sheets of plywood, £9,534. Sundries total £17,000. That's glue, electricity and tubes for the laser. Etsy fees come to £21,950, but that doesn't include any promoted listings. Of course, most people will have to pay taxes, but rent and rates depends on whether you've got premises or not, and the cost of this will depend on where you're located. That leaves a staggering £171,020, but believe it or not, there's more to this story yet. Since doing YouTube and talking to other woodworkers, one of the most common things I hear is, I can't justify the cost of a laser in my workshop or in my business. I think that needs to be spun on its head. Can you afford not to have a laser in your workshop or in your business? So Omtech sent me this Turbo 535 CO2 laser with a 500 by 300mm bed size, and it has a 230mm bed depth, so you can engrave things like boxes and put your logo on products that are already made. This laser is more than capable of producing the product featured in today's video. It's a great machine for a beginner, and it's perfect for somebody looking to increase sales in their existing business by adding a laser. So as I mentioned, it took me about 10 minutes to design this in Lightburn. The total cut time for the 3 pieces, including the 2 extra legs, was around 30 minutes. There has to be a better way to glue this up. I think the original seller uses CA glue because of some of the comments where it's fallen apart in transit. I just used wood glue, cleaned up as much as I could and clamped it. Okay, I'm coming to it, don't worry. So some sellers recently have been trying to dominate the front page by opening several shops and listing identical items from each shop and trying to get the whole of the front page. I have heard of a couple of shops being suspended for this, but so many people are doing it, I do not see how they're going to combat it. From my research, I think the seller's got between 6 and 8 stores. The incredible thing is that the main store has got over 11,100 sales in 1 year. That could mean the figures we've discussed today are absolutely dwarfed, at least $500,000 I would suspect in a year, and that doesn't take into account the other stores. And all of this done with just a laser. This was just a prototype, and I only made it out of the plywood that the laser was sent in, which was very inconsistent in thickness. So you can get the laser files from notjustwood.co.uk in the Plan store. You can do with them as you please. You can use them to make these products and sell them. You can adapt them. Full commercial rights, no problem there. Just please, if you do download them, leave me a comment. Say thank you or something in the comments on this video so that I get some momentum on the video. That's all the reward I ask for. And as always, check out this video right here for other cool projects. Be safe in your workshop and have fun.